about this eval function? What is the use of eval function? Eval started daily end of the session started today. Starting started. Sir, anyone? Eval function online. Amit? No. Any other persons? It is for input. Okay. What it will do? Nirankar. What is the use of eval function? Why we need to go for that? Sir, because the reason is yesterday I'm asking this one to some guys. They don't have idea about that one. It will take any data type. It will convert other data type. So the main advantage of eval function is, observe carefully. Sir, for example, sir, input function is to read the dynamic data from the keyboard. This thing everybody knows about that. I'm asking enter value, sir. I stored into X. I'm not doing anything, just I'm using print, the type of X, Katam program. Now, command prompt, run as administrator, yes. Now, 1 minute, please. Observe carefully. Sir, by using input function, whatever I'm entering from the keyboard, for example, py test.py, enter value. Sir, I'm entering 10. What is the type? Screen stuck. Sir, please tell, I entered the 10 value. What is the type of X? Integer or not, Amit? Very good, everyone. Integer. Integer. It is a string because the input function return type is always what it is? String and a, not integer. Double quote. String, sorry, string. Not integer, Amit, it is a string. For example, see, I'm given 1.2, sir. Generally, it is float value, but Python considered string only. Okay, I'm given 10 plus 3j, sir, complex, but Python considered string only. If I'm given true, Boolean, but Python considered string because of input function return type is string only. Yes or no? Yes. The problem with this approach is, for example, enter first number, enter second number, stored into y, sir. Now, I don't want type. Sir, I'm asking sum is, sir, x plus y, sir. Simple program. Now, yeah. Now, py test.py. Enter first number 10. Enter second number 20. What is the output? The output should be compulsory 1020 because of both are strings or not? Strings only. Sir, what to do? I want to convert into what is we have to do? Int of x, int of y, stored into some variable a, stored into some variable b. You need to go with a plus b. Then my job is completed. This is called as typecasting. First by default string. After that I'm converted to the integer. I can provide a 30. For example, sir, observe carefully. I am given, sir, 1.5 plus 2.6. Sorry. 1.5, 2.6. Please tell what is the output I will get. Anyone? 4, 2, 3, 4, 6. 4.1. Correct. Inka? Error. Online. Very good. Yes, yes. What is the output? The output should be what I'm getting. Error. Why? No. Wait. The reason is, sir, I'm given 1.5. Python. No. Python considered what it is? String. String. Remember very carefully here. String. For example, please tell this answer. You will get clarity. Do you know typecasting function, how it is working? Sir, int of 2.5. Please tell what is the output. E3. Int of 2.5 means what it is? Float value removed 2 only. Babu, int of 2.9 also you can go. Float point will be removed 2 only. 2.5 పైన ఉంటే 3, 2.5 కింద ఉంటే 2 కాదు. అయ్యో, this is typecasting, yes or no? Now same question I am asking, int of 2.5. What is the output? Please tell. 2 point. I am using which function? Integer function. Integer and our value. Is it coming float? Compulsory output should be integer only. But 2.5 ఎలా వస్తుంది? You will get error, conversion not possible, because of at the time of int function, if a given string float values are not accepted, only base 10. Okay, based on this, now you have to tell sir here I'm given 1.5. Python considers string or not? Ante string I am passing to where? Integer. Error or not? Same error you are getting. Everyone telling 3, 5, 6, 7. So that is the reason, sir. The problem is, Babu, you don't convert this integer, all these nonsense. As an end user, whatever value you are entering, considered as it is a type. Then I need to go for which function? Eval. Eval means if I enter integer from the keyboard, it does not consider as a string, integer only. For example, see now the difference between eval and this one. You can run the program. Sir, 10, 20. What is the output? 30. You no need to convert. I am given integers. Python taken as an integer only. Now I am given 1.2 and 3.2. Now 4.4. Am I converting? So no need to convert, sir. Eval is the excellent function in Python. Whatever data you are entering, same it will be taken. That is the meaning of eval function. That's why you need to go to eval. Instead of integer, if I am converting, some problems are there. If I am using different problem are there. If we can go with this one. Now I am given as a 10. I am given as a 20. Now and enta output 30. 1020, because I am given double quotes and ఏంటిది స్ట్రింగ్ కదా. ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ అవుద్ది? నువ్వు ఏది ఇస్తే తీసుకుందని చెప్పాను. వాట్ ఎవర్ యూర్ గివెన్ దట్ ఈస్ ఇంట్ కన్వర్ట్ అయిందని చెప్పాను. మరి 1.2, 3.2 ఈజ్ ఇట్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఫ్లోటా? Eval means, observe sir, eval, okay, input, enter a value, sir, stored into a variable. I am not telling integer. Okay, na, don't confuse. Type of entity x. Now you have to tell I am entering a value. Your expansion out of knowledge in Python. Thank you. More. Sir, okay. Now enter value. What it is? Type integer. Previously what happened? String it is taken. Now 1.2 float. Now see the difference? Input will be given all strings only. Now whatever I am entering, that only it is taken. 10 plus 3j. Complex. Now double quotes 10. My previous also 10, 21, 0, 20. Now if I am given true, one got the boolean, because I am asking type. That is the reason we need to go for which function, sir? Eval function. That is the best function at the time of while writing application, because every time how we need to convert it. If I'm given eval, whatever data you want, you can enter string, int, float, as it is considered. That is the advantage of which one? Eval function. Sir, for example, do you know operators plus minus star like that? Okay. Now, carefully tell. Enter value 10 plus 4 into 5. జాగ్రత్తగా చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. 14 14 into 5. నోనా 4 into 5 20 20 plus 10 10. ఓహో సూపర్ అసలు నువ్వు. 4 5 20 10 plus 20 10 20. ఎక్సలెంట్ ఆన్సర్. అయ్యో సార్ ప్లీజ్ ఎనీవన్ టెల్ 30 కన్ఫర్మ్. Sir, you will get in the error. Sir, sorry, I'm not printing anything. Yo. Aga, 1 minute, sorry. ఏంటి అడ్డంగా ఉంది పెద్దగా. py test.py ఎంత ఇచ్చాం? 10 plus 4 star 5. So everyone telling 30 answer, okay? Check it output. ఏమండి ఎందుకు వస్తుంది 30 అసలు? Why it is coming 30? Same expression will be printed. Because what it is, input function means total thing as a string. I am using print statement. What happened? Sir, చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. సార్ 10 అన్న, వాట్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్? 1 plus 0 1 కాదు కదా, 10 కదా. బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ ప్రింటింగ్. మరి ప్రీవియస్ లో వాట్ ఎవర్ వాల్యూ వర్ గివెన్ కంప్లీట్ విల్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ టు ఎక్స్ ఆర్ నాట్? సరే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి పోండి. 10 plus 20 30. మరి మీరు చూడండి ఇంకా 10. బాబు టోటల్ 10 plus 20 will be stored into x. That only will be printed. Are you getting my point? Here not two numbers, only one I am storing into x. I am printing. I am not doing anything. But everyone telling 30, 40, 10, 20. Don't confuse, okay na? Yes, same as it is print. But what to do means observe the difference. You have to observe carefully. What I want to use? Now it will be evaluated. Now whatever answers you are telling, it should be correct now. 10 plus 20. See the difference. Now are you getting difference? Now previous you are telling 30 something. That is correct now. Now it is correct. 10 plus and the 4 star 5. Whatever you are telling correct. 4 into 5. 20 plus 10 30. That is the difference between, sir, which function? Eval function. So that is the story of eval. Okay na? It is one very beautiful function. Sir, next ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసాం? ఫార్మ్స్. కమ్ టు Django. Sir, yesterday just I created how to declare a form. 1 minute, sir. Open Atom. Form project. Test app. Open forms. Sir, see. Yesterday, how model classes are there? Same, I created one form class. This class, I am converting in the views. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? I am creating object to the class, holding to the form, I am sending to the end user. Present if it is not there, assume. Only one empty form created and send it to the end user. So, at the time of sending, two types of requests will be sent by the end user. One is get request, one is post request. Sir, how Django is taken, which is the get, which is the post request. Get means 4 ways are there. One is open the browser, type something URL, click on enter. Djung will taken as a get request. And one more, at the time of creation of forms, where is our HTML test? Yeah, here. Here, whenever I'm given as a method as a get, then Python treated as a get request. Asli, if I'm not given anything, by default, every request should be get request. If you click on any hyperlink, that is also get request only. But Python, when treated post request, only one way is there. That is whenever I'm given method equal to post. Now, fine. Now, go to here. Start the server. cd cd django 11 match. Okay. py manage dot py sir run server sir. Spelling mistake, huh? No project cd form project py manage dot py మళ్ళీ పోయిందా? నీలాగా నాకు వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్లు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూసి manage dot py run server. Sir, server is started. We have to post for getting post. ఇదేదో సామెతలాగా ఉంది భలేగా, మా చెల్లికి పెళ్లి మళ్ళీ జరగలాగా. We have to post for getting post. అదేంటి కనబట్లేదు కదా. So django dot migration except migration is unable to create the django migration tables. Yeah, the problem in your Oracle database. Nirankara, మీ తమ్ముడు. Sir, see, server is started, sir. Observe carefully. Sir, take the IP address, sir. Okay, we will check it one by one. Okay, na? I will tell. Wait, no problem. Sir, here, first I am given. What is the URL I am given? STD. Sir, whenever I am entering URL, by default, is it a get request or not? Yes. Once it is get request, check it. Come to views.py. Sir, whenever it is a get request, it is not post request. So this code won't executed. Created one empty form. I am sending to end user. Empty form will be displayed up to here. Now, whenever user enters some details, roll number 101, some student, enter marks 98. Sir, if I'm clicking on submit, is it a post request or get request? Post request. Why it is a post request? Because in HTML file, I am given method equal to post. That's why it is considered as a post request. And SD I am telling two differences. One is student with form. Our class name is student form. Yes. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? And what is the meaning of this one? Sir, this is called as empty form created sending to the end user. This is nothing but the information which is sent by end user holded information. So whenever I'm sending this one, whatever data is available, this is the total data. Now check it. Come to views. So now, is it a post request or not? Yes or no? Whenever clicking yes, now form, see this. Student form request dot post. The end user provide data will be holded. Form is validating. Sir, what is the cleaned data? Cleaned data means it is a dictionary. The end user values will be stored in the form of key and value pairs. So the keys are these one: name, roll number, mark. Everyone I am getting, I am printing in the console. Because it is a post request, this code will be executed there. After execution of if condition, is it execute this line or not? Yes. What is this meaning? In empty form. Now, see, once you click on submit, data will be gone, end form displayed, go to the console, check these values are came or not. Form validation success, and it is printing the data. But now, next continuation, along with this, I want to print. Where I want to print? HTML file. What is your HTML file? Import. Now, see, we will continue that one. Where is yesterday notes? Desktop. Django. Yes. Sir, yesterday I explained how to create. What is this HTML? Already it is also completed. No, just form submission. CSS, URL, CSRF token. Sir, you remembered what is the CSRF token now? Security purpose, compulsory to add that. Empty form, student required form, clean data is a dictionary based on that I'm taking. How the server recognize getter, poster, views.py, pickling and unpickling. Okay, now continue this one. Sir, what do we have to take? One, which file? Input.html file. Input dot means templates, static, story, common. Oh, templates also there. Huh? Oh, created already. Sir, okay, here form displayed. Sorry, I got it. Aithe advaindi. Settings. Am I completed settings? Settings. Yes, template here, static here. Oh, everything done yesterday. Static files okay. Static okay. CSS okay. Form1.css okay. Okay. That empty form display purpose I am written. Fine. I am getting it. Sir, now I want to display the details. Okay, done. Sir, come to views. Sir, first, in the views, I have to take a variable in the class observe. Submitted equal to what it is? False. Because have you remembered in our Mahesh news portal somewhere else? First home page, instead I created 3 hyperlinks: movies information, sports information, politics. When I'm clicking on first one page, 3 images. Second one, page, 3 images. Third, same page every time data changing. I'm taken one variable type. If type equal to, it is a sports, display this images. If type equal to elif, so on I'm given. Same. Here also I'm given first submitted equal to what I'm given? False. Because if the form is submitted, this one completed, I can make it as a submitted equal to true. What I'm given? Submitted equal to true. This value I send it to the template. I am checking if submitted equal to false. If submit equal to false means this code not executed. Which form will be displayed? Empty form. If form is submitted by end user, submitted means is it a port request or not? Yes. This code will be executed. Submitted will become true. So any variable you can take, false and true I am taken. One more. Now here you can observe. Fine. Once I provided, sir, here, how to give this one? Dictionary. Submitted key. What is the value? Submitted. Okay. Done. Once I provided, come to your input.html. Sir, load everything completed. Inside, first, in the div class, student input form here. Curling braces. Percentage. If, what is the meaning of this submitted? If submitted means if submitted equal to true. If it is true means what will happen? Form submitted or not? First was by default submitted, what it is? False. If it is false, it won't execute. So I'm comparing condition. If your submitted form successfully, take one tag. What I want to provide? Student processed successfully. Next tag, H2 tag I can provide it. Enter. Next, student information. Sir, when it is executed, if submitted equal to true, then only these 2 lines will be executed there. No, sir. If it is not there, we need to go with percentage. What I want to write? Else. Else I want to provided student input form. This line you have to mention here. Because once I submitted, if it is true, student process successfully, enter the next information. If false, student input form, empty form will be displayed. Save this. Check the code here. Server restarted. Come to here. Again, get request. If అక్కడ if లో పోయింది. Where if SUBMITTED కరెక్టే కదా? End if G. Yes. Student. Yes, correct. Very good. End if. Refresh. Yes, same. Sir, first, why it is empty form came? Starting. Go to the views always. What is the submitted value? False. Go to your template. In template, it is checking the condition, sir. Which condition? If form is submitted, true or false? False. False kabatti it does not execute this. Else, student input form, empty form displayed, not displayed. Yes, displayed. Whenever you click on submit, now come to the back. Now you have to enter 101, enter name as Mahesh, enter something mark. Once I click on submit, what is happened? Is it a get request, post request? Post request. Sir, once post request, it is taken, it will what is the value submitted? True. Now in template is checking or not? Is it submitted or not? Yes, it is submitted. Go to here. Submitted true. Which statements will execute? These two will be executed there. Sir, once these two executed, observe. Sir, once if block is completed, is it display form or not? Yes, definitely. Because once if state complete, rest of the program will be executed. Now check it here. Submit. Adigondi. Student process successfully. Enter next student information. Go to console. Idigondi. Displayed. Validation success. Mahesh 10189. Like that, you have to provide into your template tag. Sir, here small change I want to do. In the views, I'm taken as a one variable I want to take. What it is in submitted student name. First I'm taken, sir, empty. Okay. Where you have to provide this one? Here. Please tell how to take the student name. How can I take the student name? Can I use this one? Form.cleaned data. Can I add this one or not? First student name, what it is? Empty. Now I am added the student cleaned date. Cleaned date I can put. Now yes name one variable is there. Sir, if you want to send the template means compulsory you have to go which one? Create dictionary key value. What I want to create? Yes name. Save. Come to input. Sir, what I want to provide in this was changes means student with the name. How to give? Ginger tag. What can I pass? Yes name. Process successfully. Enter next student information. Save this. Come to here. Server restarted. Now you have to give enter. Error. Yes name. Spelling mistake. Yes name. Views. Yes. Here yes name. Now here yes name. Save. Come to here. Refresh. Okay. Now, sir, I have to enter 101. I have to enter Sunny. I have to enter 89. Click on submit. Student with the name Sunny process successfully. Enter the next student. Okay. 102. Bunny 89. Sir, name changing, not changing every time. Changing 103. Name Winnie marks 98. Winnie. So can I enter multiple records or not? But where it is storing, is it storing into database? No, just to your idea sake, I'm printing in the console. Next level, I will save into database. From database, I am reading. Simple job. So is it a small size application or not? But like this only, we have to develop the applications. Simple form I can implement it. From the form, I am entering the details, storing into the applications. Sir, clear everyone now? So whatever changes I did, this is the input.html. This is the code input. Views also small changes I did. Views.py. Just I'm taken name and variable, two variables submitted. Only those things. First I'm taking submitted variable false. Once form is submitted, I can make it as a true. S name I'm taking empty. I given. After that, which page? Views page. Views are templates. In పేరు కూడా లేదు వి అని పెట్టాడు. Quickly brief this page. Views. Okay, done. Sir, what is this views page? Please see this one here. First, this is a one function. I'm taking two variables, submitted equal to false, s name equal to empty. Now, I'm given request post this condition. This total block will be executed whenever end user request is post. End user will send two type of request. One is get, second one is the post. So when get, when post means already I'm given previously four ways. First, whenever started URL, whenever server is started. Now my server is running state. Whenever go to this URL, submitting URL, click on enter. By default is which request? Get request. Sir, whenever it is a get request, it is checking, observe, it is not a post request. This block won't be executed. Only line number 17 executed, submitted to the page. Now, empty form will be displayed. Submitted value, what is the submitted value? False. Whenever submitted value false, S name is also empty. Go to input.html file. Here it is checking this condition. Babu, if submitted. If submitted, true na false? False. Because starting I am given false. Kavate, this block won't executed. Which block executed? Else block. What displayed? Student input form. One form will be displayed or not displayed. Yes, that is happened here. That is the first process. Second, whenever I'm entering 101, I'm entering something details. I can enter the marks. Submit. Sir, whenever clicking on submit button, which type of request it is? A post request. What is the reason, sir, why you are telling post? Means inside form method I am given post. That's why Django will consider it is a post request. Sir, once it is post request, see this. Yes, if request method is post form, I am replacing the form. Previously the form is which form? Empty form or not? Now I am replacing, sir, again creating object with requested data by end user. This data can be held by where? Form object reference. Internally stored data will be stored in the form of which one? Cleaned data. Now I'm validating the form. I'm printing total information in the console. Now name I'm reading stored into variable because previously S name is empty. Now submitted equal false by default. I can make it as a true. Sir, once I'm submitting this form, once I'm clicking submit, why this message came? Because I am passing two values, submitted and S name. Come to input. If submitted, am I submitted or not? Yes, I am given true. That is the reason is going to student with the name S name. I forwarded from views. This page will be printed. It won't printed. After that, empty form displayed or not? Yes, empty form will be displayed. That is the thing happened here. If you want to enter second details, same process. Again, enter the values, enter the marks, click on submit. Now, process successfully student. In the console, it will be displayed. That is happening. V. That is the story of the views. I copy pasted. No. Copy paste, sir. That is the process, sir. Like that, you have to implement. And clear everyone now. Clear. Yes. Why Amit not crystal clear? Only just yes. Small okay. Better. Crystal clear. Very good. So now can I go to another project? Small project. Same forms only. Okay. Take it. Last is crystal yesterday. And so what is crystal? Crystal yesterday. Is crystal అంటే ఇతంది అమిత్ది. Sir, okay, done. So next one is what I was doing is, for example, any application. Okay. Sir, next one is what I was telling. Sir, generally any application everywhere, once we can use that application, they're asking some feedback or not. Yes, we have to give the some feedback. Suppose after some classes, I'm asking about feedback. Can you please tell about Mumbai versus? Can you ask about the feedback about the Maheshwar classes? Then everyone can give feedback or not? Then you will give super feedback everyone. Yes or no? So for that, I created one feedback form. I'm asking student feedback. How Maheshwar classes are there? For example, there is one application there. My application is there. Inside also there is one feedback is there. Observe just to see the page enough. Sir, is it a feedback form or not? Yes. Inside feedback, what is available, sir? Name available, email available, student kabatti roll number. After that, what it is? Message. Because you have to write something message na, like that. Something message you have to write. Sir, what is this field? Which field it is a? Box. Which type of box it is a? Text box. Sir, text box means observe there is some limitations that is going to the text box. Type equal to text, but this one different. I have to enter multiple lines and columns. Paragraph. Sorry, right click, inspect, check it. What it is, sir? Text area. Because number of rows and columns are there. Text field you have to enter 20 characters, 30 characters, like that only. In the text field, not possible to enter multiple lines. It is a text area. Sir, like that, I want to create a form. I need to ask about the feedback. Feedback box and sweet boxing adi. Text area. I am asking a web element field V. What is your name? V stands for Venkatesh. Vinita. Vanilla. Vanilla. No name. Confidential. Ammo. Okay. Sir, see now, I want to declare, sir, feedback project, sir. Now, sir, come to here. Stop the server. CLS cd dot dot. Now, django hyphen sir admin start project feedback project sir. CD feedback project sir. py manage.py. What to do? Start app. Test app. Done. Basic process completed. Close all this. Close, 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 close. Sir, the feedback is going to feedback project. Open. First go to the settings.py. Sorry, installed apps. I have to go with test app, sir. Sir, what to do next one? Create a file under a test app. Right click, new file. What is the file? Forms.py file. Here, first from sir django. Not coming. Import. What I want to import? Forms, sir. Now, sir, I want to declare class. What I want to declare? Feed back form. What is the parent class? Forms is a module. What is the class name? Form. So that is the parent, sir. Feedback form is a, yes, very good. Our child class, sir. Sir, generally student means student contain a name. Student contain a roll number. Student contains email ID. And whatever feedback you want, you have to give. So feedback, one column I can provide. Come to here starting. Forms dot. Sir, what is the first one? Character field, sir. Maximum length, how many required? In the forms, not required. Models is required. Here, not required. Forms dot. Second entity, roll number. Roll number means, sir, integer field, sir. Next, forms dot. What it is? Email field. Next, feedback. Forms dot. What we have to give? Character field. But instead, you have to give. What we have to give? Widget equal to forms dot. What it is? Text area. Then it is accepted number of rows and columns. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. So next what to do? Who is converting this class to the form? Views or not? Views only. Now what we have to write? From where it is? Test app dot forms. Import. What is our feedback form? Done. Create a function. Def feedback underscore view. I am getting request. Sir, now what to do here? Please tell. Form. What is your class? Feedback form. Completed. Send to end user. Sir, remaining functional next I will write. Okay, just form I want to display first of all. Return render of request comma test app slash feedback dot html comma what is required? Dictionary required, not required? Yes, form colon your value form. Completed. Where it should be displayed? Now it is required for you. How to declare that one? Go to main project, right click, folder, templates, right click, folder, test app, inside, right click, file. What is the file name? Feedback.html. Completed. Now right click, a folder, static. Right click, folder, CSS. Inside CSS, right click, file. Then the feed kada feed one dot CSS. Completed. Go to the settings. ఏది ఇక్కడ template underscore dir equal to sir base dir slash templates. Next sir static underscore చూడండి స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఏమైనా పడితే జాగ్రత్తగా base dir slash static sir completed. Template dir copy. Templates dirs this one comma. So next to last after static URL sir static files underscore dirs equal to sir static dir sir settings sir over next come to HTML file. HTML we have to give in now percentage sir load static. So now inside the body sir in title what I want to give, yes, feed back form your wish, copy. Next body, inside body what we have to write, division, class, container I can provided, alignment equal time given as a center I can provided. So now inside h1 tag what I want to give, student feedback form. Sir what I want to display, which tag, form tag. Form tag, remove all these. Later I will tell this story also will come next level post. Sir how to submit the form, how to give ginger tag, what it is, what is the variable I'm given, form. Form means all will come single line. What to do, dot as underscore p. Next what I want to give, percentage yesterday I'm telling na CSRF underscore token. Completed. Now urls.py from test app import users are come to here, copy paste. I can give feedback, I can give views dot feedback user, remove this, save, come to here, start the server, py manage.py, run server, getting server, copy this, come to the URL sir, paste it, feedback. Am I getting feedback or not? Present feedback form I am getting, name role name. ఇప్పుడు దీనికి కలర్స్ గిలర్స్ ఫాంట్స్ ఇంకా ఎవరి విషయం. Oh, now come to here, get bootstrap.com. Here documentation sir, suggest you won't do anything, copy this CSS, come to here, feedback.html, inside the title you can give that, save, just go to here, go to feedback form, refresh. Something changes happened, yes, your required changes you want, whatever you want to feedback. This one go to the body, just color enough. I am given background yellow, I am given color, come back, color I am given red. Now what to do sir, come to feedback. So how to give a link, what I want to given sir, in the double quotes curling braces. Next inside percentage, first one static, next single quotes css slash feed1 dot css. Completed, yes, come to here, refresh. Wow, బాకపోతే one thing missing here, ఇక్కడ బటన్ ఉండాలి కదా, submit button, sorry, where it is after CSRF token sir, take input, type equal to submit, not text, value equal to submit, feedback space వద్దు, save, come to here, refresh సార్ came everything, form came. ఇప్పుడు దీనికి ఏమైనా కలర్ కావాలి, సబ్మిట్, వాట్ టు డూ, బూట్ స్ట్రాప్కి వెళ్ళండి. మీరు ఏం చేసి జస్ట్ గో టు బూట్ స్ట్రాప్. సార్ జనరల్ దీస్ కలర్స్, CSS fonts, you don't bother about that. Basic idea is enough for you. Buttons, only logic you can do. Which button we have to take? Primary na, secondary na, success, danger, which one? Warning, వద్దులే. Success అంటే ఎన్నోది, ఇదిగోండి థర్డ్. Copy this class, sir. Just have to provide anywhere a class. Save, sir. Come to here, come to feedback, refresh. Yes. Came, completed. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? Story not completed. Now, student name. What is the student name? Mahesh sir kada. Oh, Sunny, my favorite student. Sunny. Roll number 101, email sunny@mahesh.com. Feedback. Mallika, oi. Sir, feedback. Oh, Mahesh sir, classes are very, very good. He is excellent. And he is mudle. Okay, Mahesh sir classes are enough. Next, fill the blanks. You can fill. Next one, full of fun and knowledge. Goat. In the greatest of, other than meaning, he's handsome man. And you said it, I know. Sir, now, sir, program not completed. I am given. Sir, click on submit feedback. What will happen? Am I did anything? Nothing. Once I click on submit, data will be gone. But where it is? No. Now observe. I am clicking on submit button. Is it a post request or not? Yes. Post request means you have to write your previous HTML code. What to do? Go to here. Views. Sir, first, empty form displayed. Okay. Now come to here. Sir, what I'm given is, what I'm given? Submitted equal to, sir, first time false. Okay. I want to, who is given feedback? I want to take one name. Name equal to empty, sir. Fine. If, what is the condition? Request dot method equal to, what it is? Post request. Execute this block. If it is not post request, guest request, send empty form to the end user. Now, sir, what to do? Can I create the form object or not? Compulsory. Otherwise, empty form will be displayed. That empty form I can overriding with the help of my form feedback. How to get that? Request dot, what it is? Post. How to validate the form? If form dot is underscore valid. Print general message. What I am printing, sir? Form validation success and printing feedback information. Sir, please tell what it is. Print, I am given star, okay, into 55. What is the meaning? Yes, first it is coming before star, 55 times will be printed. Just underline type, okay? Yes, sir. Now, sir, how to print the name, sir? Please tell how to print the name. Name. Whatever data I entered, that value will be stored in. This is the key. What is the dictionary? Internal dictionary name I am given yesterday. Dictionary name. Form dot cleaned underscore data. Inside, what is the key? Name, sir. Sir, cleaned underscore data is a yes. One built-in dictionary. Your data should be stored into there. Dictionary means key and values are there. Whatever keys are means in your form class, what are given a left side, those are nothing but your keys. So name I am getting. After given 4 are there. Okay. Copy 2, 3, 4. Sir, after name, roll number. Sir, ikkada roll number, sir. Here I want to give email, sir. Here I want to give email, sir. Here I want to give feedback message. What message they are providing? Feedback. The column is also feedback. Sir, once I am getting all the data, what to do? Submitted equal to true. Now, I want to store the name. What is the variable I'm taking? First name equal to empty. Now I want to take the name. How to take the name? Form dot cleaned data. Once I'm getting these two, create dictionary, comma, submitted, colon, submitted. Sir, another key is name, colon, name. Sir, please explain line number 9. Yes, validation. It is a one easy validate is the function. Form is our form. If our form is validated, then it is printing this message. Is valid is a one function. What is the form? Just now I'm created one form, na? That form. This is the class name. End user provided data, one new object it. Sir, previously this is the empty form is there. Now, end user sending data, input data, I'm holding this form. If it is validated, printing that. Validation command, Nirankar. If everything will be validated, then it will be printing. Something goes wrong, then line number 10 to 17 won't execute. So, sir, name, everything I'm submitted. Sir, now what to do here? Any changes are required? Here, okay. There changes required. Where? Here. What we have to write here? Check it, say carefully. In the div here, you can take one template tag inside percentage. When I want to give if submitted, Babu, if submitted equal to true, what I want to give? H1 tag. Hello. What I want to give? Name. Ante student name I am printing. Comma. Thanks for providing feedback. It is very helpful for us. Indikani to provide better services. That is, I want to provide the message. After that, student feedback form. Form I provided, printed everything. After the form, what I want to give? Close. What I want to close? End if percentage. Sir, anything is required? Now, 12 to 16, you are storing the data in the data. I am not storing, Ravala Ganesh. I am not storing, okay, now whenever I am submitted, that data will be stored, Django will be stored into cleaned underscore dictionary. From the dictionary, I am reading 12 to 16. 1 minute, please. Yeah, 12 to 16, I am not storing Ganesh. Cleaned underscore data is the built-in dictionary. Whenever end user submitting, the data will be stored into dictionary. I am accessing line number 12 to 16. I am accessing. Next level, I am telling how to store this data permanently to the database. I will store at the time of model based forms. Just I am reading. What is this name? Form is my form object. Okay. Default dictionary. Dictionary key. I am reading. That is the default dictionary which is created by Django server. End user inputs will be stored in the form of dictionary. I'm just accessing. I'm reading data from dictionary only. I'm not storing. Sir, come to here. Now. Okay, G. Sir, IPM now. Sir, if submitted, it is printed. Student feedback form will be. One is missing. What it is? Else. Because if submitted equal to false, just you have to display form. Now come to here. Check the server first. Server restarted. Now give the feedback, enter. Get request, feedback form will be printed first. Now, sir, give 101. Now give Sunny. Sorry, name kada. Sorry. Sunny. Roll number 101. Email sunny@gmail.com. Classes are very nice. Enough. But too fast. చెప్తాను సంగతి. Submit feedback. Sir, see. Hello, Sunny. Thanks for providing feedback. It is very helpful for us to provide the better service. Go to here, sir. Check it. Sir, stars I'm given na 55. That is the reason. Form validation success, printing the feedback information. Sunny is given feedback. Roll number 1, mail ID feedback. Classes are very nice, but too fast. Came? That is only how applications are working, sir. These individual topics you can combine, make it as a one project. Project means what it is. Different modules given to the developers. Once 3-4 developers implemented, all these combined integrated into one project only. This is the way. Sir, here, for example, see, now my requirement is go to the back. Give get request empty form came. Now, sir, how the Gmail is there? I am given yes. I am given roll number 1. I am given mail ID A. I am given classes are very fast. If I submit, what will happen? Is it accepted, not accepted? Yes or no? No. Yes. What is the reason? At the rate, because validation. Okay, now, sir, observe. Okay, at the rate email.com. No, yes. Sir, now, if I submitted, is it accepted, not accepted? Yes or no? పోయిందా? అది నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఎట్ ద రేట్ ఉంటే చాలు. అయ్యో సరే సరే. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ జీమెయిల్. ఇది సబ్మిటెడ్, నాట్ సబ్మిటెడ్? సబ్మిటెడ్? నో. ఆన్లైన్ ఆన్సర్స్ చూద్దాం. ఎస్. ఓకే, సబ్మిటెడ్. హలో, ఎస్, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్. బట్ మై ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్, మరి సార్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ no sir, name necessarily. Ichanaga name already I'm given na yes. Sir, now my requirement is Gmail. Now observe. Use another account, sir. Mari, at the time of creation of account, sir, here I'm given A, I'm given B, I'm given C. Why it is not accepting? Yeah. Huh? See. So that also, sir, but I'm not given but why it is coming default? Now I have to some validation. నన్ను మ్యూట్ చేసింది. 1 second. Yeah. So now see what happened. If I so now what I'm telling Yahoo Mail. In the Google Drive access, whenever I'm given Yahoo Mail, it does not accepted. It is telling immediately must and should Gmail required. Compulsory rule. Same here also. Here also, I am providing, Babu, you have to enter compulsory Gmail. Minimum characters, how many required? 4 or 5 are minimum required. Okay. Like that conditions I want to provide. What to do? These are called as form validations. How to provide the form validations? Then, don't know if and else. There are, to do the form validations, there are some Django provided. Screen stuck. Came na? Stuck. 1 second. Came. So to do the form validations, Python provided some methods are there. What is the methods? Clean methods are there. So what is available? Clean methods. Clean is the predefined methods in parent classes. Sir, before going to that clean methods and everything, we need to explain something. Python concept is required here. So already you know that area, but like some inheritances concept is there. Na? Parent class, some methods are there. How to access into the child class? Those things we can require. Okay. First, some Python basics I will tell. Just 15 to 20 minutes. Then I need to go for which one? Clean methods. By using built-in methods, I have to validate the forms. So now nodes check, feedback, forms.py. Inside forms.py, sir, this is the code. This is the code, forms.py code. Next, main use.py, sir. Now use.py, this is the code. Pravata. Feedback.html, sir. Inside feedback.html. What is the code? This is the code. Next to urls.py. URLs. Copy the code. After that, add the simple one, feed1.css. Body background color. If you want to do extra styles, you can do it. So this is a sample application for how to provide feedback project. Next, form validations. Next class I will tell. In the Monday class. Setting.py. Setting.py, you can do it. In setting simple, na? These things already you know. Base dir, template dir, these things already you know, na? You can do it, those things. We are asking that one. Naresh, you can do it, yeah, those settings and all those. Yesterday I'm asking na, that one. What it is? That today Django, this is that, a simple project explained. Yesterday, something I'm asking. This one na 38, because this is the continuation. Forms to Django. After forms, I will give the last. Here I will give. Pickling and unpickling I explained. Sir, in populate.py, why we create variable in last inside function? Jason, one program I'm asking now, that is I'm telling. Sir, what is asking? In populate.py, why we create variable in? I will open it. What it is, you can tell. Populate. Populate is available. Model project 3 kada. 3. Yes. In which line? Amit. Which line it is there? 25. 25. Yeah. Yes, what it is means, observe carefully. Sir, I generated fake roll number, fake name, fake date of birth, fake marks, fake email. Everything am I generated or not? Yes, I'm generating all the fake data. What is the meaning, sir? First, please tell, what is a student? What is the student? My model class name or not? Yes, class name. What is the meaning of this one? Object. Dot get means in student, any objects are there, get the data. The data is these variables. I want to get the data. I'm using get or create. Create means the table is available, data is not there. What I was doing, I'm creating all the values. What is the class values are there? Roll number, name, date of birth. In your model class, these are all the columns I defined. What is this F roll number? Just now I generated na. Those roll number I am assigning to this roll number. This fake name, I am assigning to the name. Fake date of birth, assigning to this one. Whatever model class columns are there, those I am adding, I am creating here. That is the meaning of line number 25, Amit. Get or create means if objects are available, it will get the data. If not available, it is creating the data. That is the meaning of get or create. So yesterday I'm adding one employee details. Yes or no? To the emp.dat. After that filing. Now yesterday I'm asking one question, simple question. What it is? Writing multiple employee objects to the file. What to do? And what we have to do? Number of objects I want to store into file. I want to read and display to the end user. First of all, see, I'm taking one empty Python file. Go to here, Python, sir. What is the class? Employee. How to declare constructor? Def underscore underscore init underscore underscore. What is the variable? Self. Inside employee contain employee number, employee name, employee address, sir. How to initialize? Self dot employee number equal to employee number. Self dot ename equals to ename, sir. Self dot e address equal to e address. Sir, for this, any explanation is not required because already you know these things. Constructor declared initialization. Sir, I want to display the details. How to display? By using self. How to display? Print. Inside how to access? Self dot employee number, comma. What it is? Some tab space. Self dot ename, comma, slash t, comma, self dot e address. Save this. Where I am saving means this PC, D drive, Mahesh classes. I want to give as a, what is the file name? What I'm given now? emp.py. py. Done. Take file, others, Python, new file I'm taking. Sir, here, I want to open a file. First, what is the module name? Pickle module. Okay. Open a file. Yesterday already we know how to open. emp.dat file. I want to writing purpose with binary. Give F, sir. Sir, how many details you want to enter? Input. What you want to do? Enter the number of employees. Sir, whenever I'm given, why I'm using into function? Because of it is a string kada. That is the reason I'm converting to int. Instead of int, which function can I use? Sir, some days you can practice with this eval function. Okay. Then you will get clarity. Eval. Env na. Eval. Okay. Sorry. For I in range of what it is? N, sir. What I want to do? Input. Enter employee number. Stored into what is the variable? E number. What I want to do? Integer. So how many columns are there? 3 kada. Number, name, address. Employee number. Next, employee name. Integer does not require. Go the variable E name. Next, employee address. E. Are completed? Yes. Now observe. I'm saving this one as a this PC D drive. Mahesh classes pick.py. Sir, now. Sir, can you please tell once all the details are available there, employee number, name, address, how to create object? What is the class name? Employee. What I want to pass? E number, E name, E address. Once object got created, can I give reference variable or not? Is it valid? Yes or no? Because how many values I'm accepting? Number, name, address, object created. Whenever object created, constructor executed there. Where is the constructor? Where is the class? Sir, here if you run this, you will get error. Name employee does not defined because I'm running pick.py. Please observe carefully. If I'm running this program, okay, it is asking where is employee asalo? Employee is there here? No. You are getting name error. Employee does not define because, sir, the employee is available. Where it is available? EMP. Sir, what is emp.py? Module. In Python, every .py file module on it. EMP is one module. Employee is a one class. So what to do? If we want to create objects, sir, compulsory what to do? EMP. Compulsory you have to use module name dot class name. Otherwise, you will get error. Yes or no? Now object got created. What is the reference variable? How to do this one? What is the module name? Pickle. What is the command? Dump. What you want to dump? E. Where you want to dump? F. How many times this program will be executed? I in range of n. What is the value of n? Those many times. Come outside the loop. That's to print. What I want to print? Employee objects pickled successfully completed. Go to the CMD prompt. Go to working directory, D drive, CD, Mahesh classes, py, test.py, sir. Sorry. What is our program? Py? No. Pick.py. Okay, sorry. Double parenthesis వచ్చింది అక్కడెక్కడో. Why is the ikkada double? Remove that. CLS pick.py. Sir, any employees? 3, 101. Name, address, name. 102. Bunny. I am given Hyderabad. 103. I am given Vijayawada. Added successfully or not? Where you are getting error? You are not doing like this. Sir, Shunde, successful done or not? Employee file created. Where it is there? Current working folder. This PC, D drive, Mahesh classes. Check this. emp.dat 8/4/2023 12:31 created. So now please tell how to read the data. Take others Python file. Now I want to save this one as a unpick.py. Sir, first I want to import. What is the module name? Pickle. As well as my module name is emp. Please tell how to unpickle. Open. What is the file name? emp.dat. Which mode? Read with binary. Give f. Only one command. What it is? Print general message. Employee details. What is the module name, sir? Pickle dot. What it is? Load of f. I can provide it there. Stored a variable obj. Obj dot which method? Display. The display method is available. Emp. Then now, can I run this? Is it displaying all the objects or not? Py unpick.py. Sir, am I getting all the employees details? In F, how many are there? 3 are there. One set display, how many values am I getting? Only one. But I want all I want. What to do? For example, you are the person who is doing pickling. How many you are entered? I don't know. Maybe 3, 50, 100, 0, I don't know. I am the person who is doing unpickling. How to do this situation? How to read all objects while loop? Okay, how many times can I repeat that loop? Loop only compulsory. How many times can I repeat that loop? For example, see here. Sir, one time if I am loading, till it become false. As when it will become true? Where is the true asal first of all? When it will become false? I'll true dakada false udake. Sir, check it now carefully. Observe. Sir, whenever I am using load of f, what is the meaning? Is it loading one object or not? Okay. Do same. Copy. Paste. How many times I am loading? 3 times. So 3 objects are there. 3 I am getting or not getting? Yes sir, no? Yes. But how many are there? I don't know. Suppose 100 are there. Can I load 100 times? No. Sorry. For example, observe. Sir, I am loading one more time extra. What will happen? There is no data. Am I getting nothing data or any error? Check it. Run that. PVM will tell. What I am getting? What is this one? Ante syntax wise everything okay. Have you seen this one anywhere? This one in your Python. What it is? Sorry, end of error. Okay, what it is? This one. Sir, in every programming, generally there are 2 types of errors are there. One is syntax error. Second one is runtime error. So at the time of runtime, am I getting error or not? Do you know this one? Here anywhere is there. What it is? Asli enti the chart? What it is? Exceptions. In all these, in Python, what is the main class? Base. Inside base, exception. System exit, generator. Inside exception, this is the parent, these are all the child. So what is UIF error? Is it an exception class or not? Yes. Sir, whenever exception raised, how to handle, you know very well. Yes or no? No? By using try and accept block, because we are getting a runtime error. To handle runtime errors, you know how to handle this one. Sir, observe, remove all these. Sir, what is the meaning of while true? Always true. Hey, what is the meaning of while true? Infinite loop. Simple, not always true. While true means to declare infinite loop in the Python, we go with while true. Ante there is no end. It is keep on running only. Okay, fine. Inside what I'm using, sir? Try. Try block means which code we have to write? Risky code. Whatever the problem is there, that code. In the try block, whenever running, any exception raised, which will execute, sir? Except block. So first time loading, printing. Second time loading, printing. Third time loading, printing. Fourth time loading, no. You are getting exception or not? So where you can handle except. What is your exception class? Sir, do you know, observe ikkada, what is this one? What is this one? Left side enti, right side enti? Left side UIF, sir. Right side ran out of input. What is left side? What is right side? Sir, left side is all our exception classes. Zero division error arithmetic. Right side, the information which is provided by that class. Sir, how to print that messages in the console? Ran out of input those messages. Sir, first complete this. I will come to that one later on. Okay. No data left to show. Sorry, sir. Sir, left side is the class. Remember, right side is the information which is provided by that class. Okay. Copy this class, sir. Copy. Come to our program. Sir, accept. Can I give this one or not? Yes. Whenever you are getting exception, immediately this block will be executed. Whatever to print, all employees completed. Sir, what to do now? Can you use break or not? Otherwise, while true, it is running only. Now come to your here. Now you have to run it. How many details are there? 2, 3. Whenever exception raised, it is breaking, all employees are completed. Like that, you have to write the code. This is the way writing. First, what I'm written, emp.py. Just class declaration I did here. Class constructor, this one I can provide it, sir. So next one, what I'm doing, pick.py. It is for pickling purpose. The pickling code I am written. Ante how many employees you want? All the employees you can do it. Copy, paste it. So now to reading purpose, unpick.py. Now in this unpick, you have to expand all the details. Unpick. This is the way you have to write. Any doubt here? Simple. EMP module class pick.py. I'm writing simple logic. I'm unpicking the data, sir. సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాను ఏదో స్టోరీ చెప్తున్నా కదా మీకు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ print simple, I'm not doing anything. By 0, what I will get? What is the output? 10. ఏంటి స్వామి ఆకలేస్తుందండి? Sir, what I'm getting 10 by 0 means 0 division error only. General exception we are getting. That is only I'm asking. Py. Sir, ఎక్కడ రాసే కోడ్ ఇది? సారీ, ఎక్కడ రాశాను? ఇవి డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకండి. క్లోజ్ సార్, క్లోజ్ test.pvలో రాయండి. ప్రింట్ 10 by 0 సార్. సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఓన్లీ. జీరో డివిజన్ ఎర్రర్. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏమడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ మిమ్మల్ని జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ సార్, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఈజ్ ఏ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ class name, exception class name. Whenever exception raised, it is checking corresponding class available, not available. This is the information which is provided by class. Now my requirement is, sir, whenever exception is raised in your Python and Java anywhere, it is looking for the corresponding class or not? Yes. Now I want to try block exception raised. I want to accept, what is that? 0 division error. I want to print, what I'm printing? Just 10 by 2. Sir, what is the output I will get now? Something 5.0 you are getting it. Yes or no? Because whenever exception is coming here in print block, suppose if I'm writing hi, what I will get? Or else, 1 second, we can't divide with 0. Sir, this message printed, not printed? Printed only. Now my question is, don't print your messages. That class provided a message. This message you have to print. How to print that one? Don't your own messages. The information which is provided by that class. Ante that right side message undi kada, division by 0. Except? Yes, sir. Sir, is it a exception class or not? Now, as I can provide that messaging. Now, remove this one. Exception raised, and the reason is, what is the reason? We can print that message. So like that, left side is called as a class name, right side is copy and paste antaya. Amit. So you have to give class name as a variable, then you have to print that one. The information which is provided by class will be printed. Exception raised, and the reason is, what is the reason? Division by 0. Like that we have to provide that messages, sir. Sir, that is the story of today class. Pickling, unpickling, and exceptions messages.